is my 2018 Freightliner Cascadia interior review. So pretty much still have a nice and clean interior. Pretty much a classic interior. Got all these features on the steering wheel. Pretty much the same in the other Cascadia, but it changed here. Bunk. It looks pretty nice. Got this nice LED light on the roof. Got the second bed, first bed. There's a nice room here to put our little fridge. Got doors. You can put a microwave, and the television, TV. You got these nice steps here. You have to press here, and bam, you drop your letters for the second floor. You fold it back up. You clamp it right there. You can also have this nice storage here, pretty big. You got the table for type some stuff. You also have here the I don't know what the fuck this is. Maybe empty spots. You got the 12 volt. You can also control your lights. You got alarm. You got pretty much simple things normal on other trucks. But yeah. Oh, you also have a window cover. Know what I mean? Pretty decent truck. And there's a strap-on truck.